So this week on Dak and Jew, we're making pizza in our own homes, two very different ways. Date night!
Pizza party!
So Dakota, how are you doing your pizza?
Okay, so I made dough earlier today, and I have a recipe that I love, but it calls for bread flour and instant yeast, and the store was out of both of those things. I tried a new recipe and I had to do it twice in order for it to work, and I'm hoping that it's tasty. I move my camera though so that it's down like this.
Oh.
Is that fancy or what?
Wow.
Wow. It's beautiful.
People are impressed with the multiple angles. So I preheated my oven to 475, and the whole time it was preheating, I had my pizza stone in there, so it's hot as hell, honestly. I put olive oil around the edges, and then I'm going to just put some sauce. I did not make this. I bought it. I thought about caramelizing this actually because I freaking love caramelized onion on pizza, but I sort of wanted the like really raw onion flavor. I can't explain it. It's just like
I prefer the raw onion on the pizza.
Do.
Yeah. Sometimes caramelized onions can get too sweet for me if the sauce is too sweet. You know what I mean?
Salami pieces. I like really thinly sliced some fennel.
Ooh.
Which I also thought about cooking first, and then I was like, you know what? If it's sliced thinly enough, it'll be delish by itself. I'm doing mine dairy-free. Miyoko's, which is the best dairy-free brand in my opinion.
It's true. We should have done that for Marky, but sorry.
I'm going full cheese.
He's going full cheese, full gluten tonight.
Full cheese.
Look, Dakota, look at this bowl of matzah I just made him shred.
Oh my God.
Twice that size.
I am so envious. Erica was like, do we get to eat real cheese? And I was like, no.
Not today.
Not today. Not when the salami mommy's in charge.
I'm actually going to do a little bit of parm.
That's okay. Hard cheeses.
Yeah. It will be fine on my tummy. Just a little for that salty, irreplaceable parm.
We are doing a sourdough focaccia for our pizza base.
Nice.
I've been experimenting with my sourdough starter. It's not going to look cute.
Is it kind of like a deep dish situation?
Definitely. Oh my God. Mark, can you help?
Yes. No.
I forgot an important step. I'm going to put olive oil in the bottom of the cast irons.
Nice. I really appreciated that squat you just did.
Someone who actually knows what they're doing with sourdough is going to see this and be like, what the hell is happening?
I mean, honestly, that's probably the story with all of our videos.
That's true. It's like I'm a dough monster over here.
Oh, yeah. Look at that angle.
How you liking your wine over there, Dakota?
It's so good.
Tell me about it.
I used to think all Lambrusco was sweet, but it's not. This is a dry Lambrusco, and it was only $9.99, and it is dry and sparkling and acidic, and I just can't wait for it to like cut the fat of my fake mozzarella.
Yes, see, it's the perfect pizza wine.
It's so dark purple though, it just gave me like instant wine teeth.
Yeah. I'm going to wash my hands, and then I'm going to par bake the focaccia for my oven's at 450, and so I'm going to bake it for like 10 minutes.
Oh, look at that big old mug. I can't wait to watch you load those bad boys up.
It's going to be really extreme.
I think so. I'm here for it. It's a Friday.
We have pizza sizzling, fire smoke alarms going off, cats meowing. I already put salt on the crust and fresh rosemary.
Yum.
I was going to put greens on here, but why bother?
Why bother? What a waste.
I think I'm going to take a page out of your book, Dakota, and do a little parmesan now and a little parmesan later.
I think that's advised.
This is definitely going to end up being kind of like a deep dish situation.
For sure.
Like we might have to eat it straight out of the pan.
Yeah. You can each have your own pan. The grand finale. Reign of Parm. Oh, Mark, can we get a zoom in on that?
Oh, I think I might put some capers on too.
But oh my God, I forgot I was gonna do olives.
Oh, I'm so envious. I want olives.
I'm gonna add them after the fact. I only have olives with pits in them, so I'm gonna have to take the pits out, which is like so annoying.
They're going back in.
All right.
They look yummy and crazy all at once. Something about the really hot oven made my hair get really staticky, and or maybe I burnt it.
Not bad for a crust I've never made but wouldn't make again.
Not bad.
And dairy-free cheese. Wow.
We'll see what it looks like when we cut into it, but
Can't wait. Gorge. Gorge.
goose stew.
Yeah.
I can't bite into it.
It's okay. I don't want you. I remember the last time when you put peach pie in your mouth prematurely, and that was horrible. It ruined both of our days.
Oh, okay, okay.
Is it tasty?
Yeah. She's really good.